Press on the arming and disarming at the same time. After 2 seconds, the light will flash 3 times. Then keep the arming unmoved. Press the disarming 3 times at a lower speed in 5 seconds. Now the LED will flash very fast, which means the existing code has been deleted successfully. Put your original remote and duplicator close to each other. Press on the arming button of both remote control at the same time for 3 seconds. Then you will see the LED light of duplicator flashing 3 times, and finally flash very fast, which means the code of arming of your original remote control have been copied successfully. Other 3 buttons same instructions. If you delete the code of the duplicator carelessly, press on the starting and muting buttons at the same time. After 2 seconds, the light will flash fast, shows that the previous code of duplicator have been resumed.